These are the divisions of number 19. Nineteen divided by 19 equals 1. 38 divided by 19 equals 2. 57 divided by 19 equals 3. 76 divided by 19 equals 4. 95 divided by 19 equals 5. 114 divided by 19 equals 6. 133 divided by 19 equals 7. 152 divided by 19 equals 8. 171 divided by 19 equals 9. 190 divided by 19 equals 10. For more videos like these, please like, share and subscribe to Small Wonderland.